Okay, so let's have a look at this equation. We've told that the function of x equals k log 3 base of x. So if I use a y instead of a function of x, and I want the inverse, I swap the x and y over, and I will get the inverse by getting y on its own. So if I take k across, equals the log base 3 of y, it means that y equals 3 to the power of x over k. Now, if you substitute, that's the inverse function, 3 x over k. Now, if you substitute 2 into that equation, 2 over k, that will equal 10. All right, so 3 to the power of what equals 10. So if you substitute 2 into there, you'll get 10. Well, that is, let's go back, 2 to the k equals the log of 10 to base 3. Therefore k equals 2 divided by the log of 10 to base 3. Now you can pick up your calculator and you can put that in the calculator. Keyboard, the log base 3, the log of 10, and we want that to be 2 divided by that number, and we get, if I just say approximately as a decimal place, 0.9542, and that is the value for k, approximately 0.9452. Now, if you wanted to, you could have gone back and you could have used your calculator to put the function of x equals, so if I said define, in the calculator, if I go define the function of x, and I define that as k, let's go to variable k log to base 3 and log of x, and okay, let's define that. I suppose we've got to put an equal sign in there. Function of x equals, all right, done. Now, if I solve function to the inverse of -1 of x, and I put an x as being 2 equals 10, and I want to solve that for the value k, comma k. All right. Okay, I can't. It's not working for me. Thought that should have worked. Well, let's see if we can work out the calculator definition of this.